Hello and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see one small but useful functionality from the upcoming version of Odoo 20 regarding the employee module. So this functionality will allow you to quickly send an email to multiple employees within the employee module. So let's see how it works in Odoo 20. So I'm jumping on employee module and you have to select your employee. So to select your employee, you have to just press Alt key and select the employee, go to action and press send email. So Odoo provides us a send email wizard where we can add our subject body tag and we can send this email to all my selected employees. So let me add my subject. So for an example, I am starting a new product launch discussion channel with these two employees. So I'm just adding a subject, new product launch, and in content we have a HTML field, so I can add any I can upload my attachment or any content, or I can select the predefined template as well. So let's just add a content, new product launch. So now we can jump on a setting page. So on a setting page we have two options available. The first one is store email and replies in a chatter of each record. So with this function, whenever I send my email, the email will store as a chatter in both of these two employees, and whatever the replies, they also in the replies also store and register under that each of the employees chatter. And we have a second option that I can collect the replies on a specific email address. So when I press it, I have a new field available, reply to. So I can add any reply, any email ID over it. So whenever the employee reply, the email will trigger, email will send on this reply to, and then I can do a next step on that particular email. So for an example, info@mkservices.com. So this is my email ID. So whenever I am sending the email will trigger to these two employees inbox, and whenever these employees they will reply, so that reply will go on this reply to email ID. So let's just go with the first option and send my email. So the email will send to both of these employees, and as we select the first option, so let's see, just refresh. So we can see we have a chatter and the message, the email is now under the chatter of these two employees. And now if I'm going on a next employee, we have a same email, and on a first one, because we have not selected this employee, so there's a no inbox. So with this functionality you can easily start a quick communication, and you can do a mass emailing to your employees quickly from the HR module. So this is a good feature, and I hope guys you like this feature. And if you like this video, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.